In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix a controller that is not working in Ghost Recon Wildlands on PC. These solutions can help if your Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, or generic controller is not being detected or is not responding correctly. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Open your library. Locate Ghost Recon Wildlands. Right-click the game and select Properties. Click on the Controller tab on the left side. Find the Override for Ghost Recon Wildlands drop-down menu. Select Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and check if your controller works. If the controller still does not work, go back to the same controller settings. Open the Override for Ghost Recon Wildlands drop-down menu again. This time, select Disable Steam Input. Launch the game again and check if the problem has been fixed. Solution 2. Configure Steam controller settings. Open Steam. Click on Steam in the top left corner. Select Settings. Go to the Controller section. Click on Show Advanced Settings. Locate External Gamepad Settings. Only enable the options that match the type of controller you are using. If you are using an Xbox controller, locate Steam Input for Xbox controllers. Enable this option and test your controller in the game. If it still does not work, disable the option and test it again. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if it is available. If you are using a PlayStation controller, locate PlayStation controller support. First, select Not Enabled. Launch the game and check if your controller works. If it does not work, return to the same setting and select Enable in Games without support. You can follow the same process if you are using a Nintendo Switch controller or a generic controller. Enable or disable the corresponding Steam input option and test the controller after each change. After changing the controller settings, completely close Ghost Recon Wildlands. Disconnect and reconnect your controller if necessary. Then launch the game again and test your controller. One of these Steam input configurations should help get your controller working properly. And that is how you can fix a controller that is not working in Ghost Recon Wildlands on PC. If this tutorial helped you, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.